Unit-2 Beautiful Birds.
Listen to the following story.
Birds are beautiful. They fly in the sky. They live in the trees. They sing sweet songs. Children too sing. Oh, little bird, fly in the sky. I shall go with you. Teach me to fly. We find birds everywhere. They live in villages, towns, and cities. They live in forests and mountains. Some water birds live near lakes. Look out of the window. You will see a bird or two. Watch them carefully. Look at their color, shape, and size. Some birds are small, some are big. Birds have different colors. Parrots are green. Doves are gray. Crows and cuckoos are black. There may be some trees in front of your school. Some trees may be behind your school. You may go there with your friends. Keep your notebooks with you. Sit in a quiet place. Watch everything around you quietly. Look in front of you. Look behind the plants and on the branches of the trees. Watch the birds. Note their color, shape, and size. Find out their names. But be careful. Don't make a noise. Don't disturb them. Some birds may just fly over your head. Watch them too. Here are the pictures of a few birds. Do you know them? Here is a woodpecker. It has a strong beak. It pecks its beak on the trunk of a tree. It can make a hole in it with its beak. This is the picture of an owl. It has big round eyes and a small beak. It is a bird of night. Some people dislike the owl, but it is not a bad bird. It is harmless. Do you know this bird? It is a pelican. It is a water bird. It lives near big lakes. The beak of the pelican is very large. It can hold a large fish in it. The pelican is a big bird. Some pelicans are 4 feet long. Now look at this bird. What is it doing? It is weaving its nest. It is a weaver bird. It weaves its nest with soft straws and leaves of grass. Its nest is really beautiful. Meet this beautiful bird. It is the state bird of Gujarat. It is also a water bird. It has light pink feathers. It has long neck and long legs. It can fly long distances. It is a flamingo. Indeed, birds are lovely. They are our friends.